Graham and Ashley here with Outlaw Realty, welcoming you to Allison Neighborhood, Bozeman's newest subdivision on the south side within walking distance of MSU.
The Allison Neighborhood is in close proximity to some of Bozeman's best schools. It's close to Highlight Canyon, downtown Bozeman, and has beautiful views of the Bridger Mountain Range. At the Allison Neighborhood, each floor plan offers the perfect balance of quality, functionality, style, and location, crafted for today's lifestyles.
And it's all made possible through our partnership with EG Construction, a trusted local longtime builder known for their dedication to superior craftsmanship and innovation. Allison Subdivision is more than just a place to live, it's a place to experience the Bozeman lifestyle at its best.
And with EG Construction, every home is built to the highest standard. Come see it for yourself.